In our last video, you could see how the umbrella was delivered and unpacked.
Now we're showing you how to properly assemble and set up the umbrella. Let's go.
First of all, we loosen the upper sleeve from the umbrella mast. Then we connect the upper sleeve with the in-ground sleeve.
We have to insert the hinge pin from the side and insert the safety clips.
Together, we lift the umbrella at the top and bottom. So that way we can easily remove the package inlays. It is very important that the umbrella arms never drag across the ground. That way we protect the covering of the parasol. Next, we insert the parasol mast into the upper sleeve, which we have previously mounted on the ground sleeve. Now we hand tighten the clamp screw of the upper sleeve so that the umbrella can no longer slip out of our hands.
We've chosen an umbrella with electrical equipment, so we now connect the two plugs before we set up the umbrella. To not pinch the cable when we set it up, we use a wrench to keep the plug in its position.
The foil and protective cover are now removed in a slightly tilted state. An upholstered chair could also serve as a supporting surface. We now unscrew the roof ball that is already attached to the giant umbrella. Then we place the roof plate on the tip of the parasol and add the ball again. Now we can start raising the parasol together carefully. Attention, when setting up, keep enough distance to the base of the umbrella. Risk of crushing. We left the cardboard as a base so that the corners of the umbrella won't be damaged when setting it up.
As soon as the umbrella is fully erected, one person secures the construction by fastening a screw, while the other continues to hold the umbrella stabilized. Once the first ground screw has been screwed in, the umbrella can be released and fixed with the other screws. We tighten these with approximately 50 Newton meters. In order to be able to adjust the umbrella, for example, to align it with the edge of a building, we loosen the clamp screw of the upper sleeve a little so that the umbrella can be rotated and positioned properly.